Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones JLab JBuddies Studio 2. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, so go to the Bluetooth and if it's turned off, just turn on it and click on your headphones at the device list. Cool. But if it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So press and hold multifunctional button on your right ear cup to turn off your headphones. Here we go. And now your headphones are disconnected, so we need to turn on it. And it will reconnect to your phone. And we should have connection also. Here we go, we have it. But if it didn't help you, we should remove and add these headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device. And this headphones is in the pairing mode, so we can add it, just tap on it at the device list. And we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press at the same time multifunctional button and volume up button until this LED light turns into purple. So press and hold on it. And we have a purple. So firstly we need to remove it, click the information icon or settings icon, forget. Also don't forget to click pair new device in your Android. And after that we need to turn off these headphones and then turn on it. Here we go. Now it should enter to pairing mode and we can add it. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!